Today, I'm going to show you how I made the Jingle Bells.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
AI cover sung by Lionel Messi. You wouldn't believe how simple it is by using just 2 AI tools. You can try it out yourself by clicking the links in the video description. Step 1, find a song. Go to YouTube and pick any song you like. I chose Jingle Bells since I'm in a Christmas mood. Copy the link of the song you want to make a cover of. Step 2, make a cover. For this, we will be using AI voice generator called Voicify AI. Go to their website and register. After that, you will have access to a large number of different AI voice models. There's Trump, Biden, Taylor Swift, Homer, and even Pikachu. I chose Messi. He looks like a guy who would cheerfully sing a Christmas song. Now you can upload an audio file or simply paste your YouTube video link. Now click on Generate AI Cover. You can name your file if you want, but it's not obligatory. Don't forget to agree with the terms, and after that, click on Ready to Convert. In less than 30 seconds, your cover will be ready. Listen to it.
We go rocking all the way. The bells and bobtail ring, they make our spirits fly. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Sounds great, right? Now you have 3 download options combined: a cappella or instrumental. I'll download the combined one. Step 3, sound effects. You want to add sound effect to your song? Visit the sound effect database channel. Here you can find almost anything you need. I chose this one. I just download it using any YouTube to MP3 converter. Step 4, Lionel Messi images. To generate Messi images, visit Imagine Art and AI image generator. We want him to be in a Christmas mood. So I wrote this prompt: Lionel Messi smiling, sitting and playing the piano. He's wearing a Christmas hat. And here's the result. This one is really good. Just click on generate. If you need more pictures, in the upper right corner of the picture, there's the download button. Yeah, so you can easily download your unique Messi images. Step 5, merge into video. For merging, you can use any video editor that you like. I use Movavi because I like the simplicity of it. So import all the elements and order them. First, you put the song into just where you want the sound effect to be. Now find a background, something like this, and put the image in an overlay on the background. I also found this funny GIF, so I'll put it in too in the sound effect part. Now check it out.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or 2 ago.
And that's it, you're done. 5 mini steps and you got yourself a brand new AI cover song. Click our links below to try it out yourself. It's gonna be fun.